Yeah, sure. The students are being assessed through different exams, quizzes, and assignments. I would say the big portion would be their midterm and final exams. However, the students are being assessed with different assignments and participations on a weekly basis. The types of assignments would be basically responding to some case scenarios, thinking, observing, and reflecting on their emotions and behavior based on the assessments we did earlier in the class, and also providing some writing, for example, writing an email for giving an unfavorable news. These are some types of assignments that we worked with the students during this term.